just a little bit. Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Give us just a minute to get the camera moved down. Okay, that's good. Perfect. Hope you're having a great day. Dean and I are excited to be here this morning on this cloudy Tuesday morning. I think it's supposed to have bad storms again tomorrow.
Tonight and
oh, great. But anyway, hope y'all are having an amazing day and had a great weekend. We're excited to be here to create a fun Easter wreath for you. Easter's right around the corner. I think it's what, on the 17th or 19th?
It's got 3 weeks.
3 weeks away, so this should give you plenty of time to have some inspiration and ideas as we approach the Easter season, which I'm excited for. We have some deals today for you. So the Easter floral and ribbon is 40% off, and then all the decor is 25% off. And all that stuff can be found at ellishomeandgarden.com or, of course, in a store if you have one near you. But I have this fabulous moss wreath here. I know I've used this in the past, but this is one of my favorites for this year, and I can't wait to carry it through the season, kind of like we do with those decorative trucks, because you can continue to use them. So I have the wreath here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two super cute carrots. These are an item that Ellis carries here. I love them. They're foam in the inside, which works to your advantage because then you can put a stake in the bottom of them and then insert them into your wreath. And I've got a variety of fun florals here, really pastels and bright colors to go with the Easter theme. And then for my ribbon, I've got this right here. I'm going to use this 1.5 inch pink and white stripe. And again, all of the Easter floral and ribbon is 40% off, and then the decor is 25% off, and that's at ellishomeandgarden.com. So I'm going to go ahead and tie myself a bow here to get started. And as y'all come in, y'all leave a comment down below. Let us know that you're here, where you're watching from. And remember, any questions you have throughout the video, y'all drop those down below as well. We have a lot to discuss, a lot to unpack. I was trying to think about a movie I watched I was going to tell Dina about. First of all, I'm into the new Spider-Mans. Have you seen any of those with Tom Holland? Come and don't take me. But anyway, I've watched them all out of order though. So there was one that came out this year and it made like millions of dollars. So I was like, we need to watch this. So we watched it. I had no idea what was going on, but I loved it. So then we watched one last night. Apparently it was the second one, so I still didn't know what was going on. So then we're going to go back tonight and watch the first one. So we're kind of going 3, 2, 1. But I didn't know they were all tied in with all the Avengers stuff, and I'd never seen any of those movies. So I think on Disney Plus they have them in order. So I'm going to go and we're going to try and watch one a week, or at least, and catch it all up because they look really good. And we went and saw The Lost City. Have I seen you since then? No. Oh, it was super cute. I only saw it because, me and Sandra are very close. But Sandra Bullock's in it, and, this is going to be her last movie for a while because she's watching her kids grow up. So I love her, and I love Channing Tatum. It was really cute. Josh actually loved it. So we did that on Friday night, and then I think that was it. Saturday we went to Palestine, Texas, where Josh's parents are. We went and saw them and had dinner with them. And then Sunday, we did a whole lot of nothing. I went and did a few videos in my group, Dylan's Divas, and then I came home and we started watching Bridgerton, the new season of Bridgerton. But I have to say, y'all, I'm just not that into it this year. It's a completely different storyline than last year, and it's something about it didn't pull me in, so I'm not dying to watch it. And see, you tell me if you feel the same way. And if you hear a tremble in Dean and I's voice, it's because it's so freaking cold in here. The air is going, and we are frozen, okay? It's never on in here, and it is today. Okay, I'm going to do 3 loops with that ribbon. Remember, ribbon and floral, 40% off on the Easter side, and then 25% off of the decor. Look how pretty that ribbon is, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in my wreath here. Put your ribbon on first.
Janisa says it starts slow. Keep watching.
Oh, Coach Jones. Okay, starts off slow. But did it upset you that there was a whole new storyline? I mean, I know the other guy left the show, but I don't know. I'll probably still watch it. It is Shonda Rhimes, and I do want to see how it folds out. But my favorite period piece right now, and Coach Jones, if you've not seen it, you need to get on HBO Max and watch The Gilded Age. It's so good. It's a period piece, and it's the same creators as Downton Abbey, so you know how good that was. Did you watch Downton Abbey? You like period pieces? You seen Outlander? I gotta get Dina vacation so she can watch all these shows, y'all, because she's gonna love all this. Oh my gosh. Sidebar, I know y'all are sick of me talking. I gotta tell Dina something I hadn't seen her. There's this show, it's on Epix. I don't have Epix, but you can get it on Amazon if you have Amazon. And it's called From. Have you seen this? And it's about this family that they're driving somewhere in their RV. And they get to this town, and they say, where's the sign to the highway? And every time they try and go find the highway, they circle back around, and they end up in this town. So once you come in, you're stuck. and at nighttime, all these like zombie things come out and get you. And so people that are in the town, it all happened. They were on vacation looking for something. They just landed in that spot, but it's really good and creepy. You'd like it. Maria, hey girl. Okay, I have my bow on there. Now let's get some greenery going, guys. This is one of my favorites. Okay. This is I don't even know what this is called. Let's see what it's called. It's called a green leaves spray. To me, it looks like berries though, but I love it because you've got all of this in one stem, and the stems are 40% off right now for Easter. Okay.
Almost looks like a small eucalyptus with berries.
Yeah, it kind of does. But you can cut this off several times, y'all. And use it multiple ways in multiple projects. So I'm going to take the longest piece and fluff it out. And this is going to give me some great length down here on the bottom of my wreath. Okay? I'm going to put that in, let it hang down the bottom. And then I'm going to take this other piece and I'm going to cut it down, and then we will incorporate this.
You tried the Chosen app?
The Chosen?
The Chosen app?
What's that, y'all? Leave a comment.
The Chosen app is free and all the episodes are free.
What kind of episodes of what? Y'all tell us about it.
Shows about Jesus, Easter.
Okay, we'll have to check that out. Have you ever seen that movie with Halle Berry called Monster Ball? She won the Academy Award for it a long time ago.
Haven't seen that one.
Me either, but I never knew she won the award for that, so I need to watch it. Okay, y'all. Question of the hour. Don't talk about Will Smith. I don't care. Besides him, what did you think of the Oscars if you watched? I only watched because I was really, really rooting for Jessica Chastain with Tammy Faye, and she did one. She beat out Nicole Kidman, which Nicole deserved it too because she played Lucy and she did an incredible job. But Jessica Chastain, she was working on that movie for 7 years trying to get it perfection, and it was so good, and she won. So that's why I watched. I watched a 3-hour show for the last 5 minutes for them to announce that. But it was, and I love Billie Eilish, and she won for the James Bond theme song, and they did a memorial for a sweet memorial for Betty White. And Jamie Lee Curtis did the whole thing and brought dogs out there because Betty White loved animals. So it was really good. You gotta think. You gotta take the positive away from all of it. Okay, I'm adding in my berries. See how pretty that is, guys? And I did that 3-loop bow. Let me see if I can raise this up. This is driving me nuts. There we go. A little higher for y'all. Okay. Next up, I'm going to add in this. This is a new stem, y'all, for Easter. 40% off. It's got eggs on it and berries and some things like that. So we're going to use this and incorporate it into the wreath. So let's cut this. Any comments about the Oscars? Nobody watched?
Nobody watched.
I was the only one. And y'all, I had to go lock myself in the bedroom because Josh wouldn't watch it. He had to watch Walking Dead. So I went into the bedroom and with the dogs and watched it in there. Okay, I'm going to start adding in my egg sprays. Let's take this one off too. And I like this because you get a lot of stuff in one stem, kind of like with those green berry sprays. Is 911 back on?
Mm-hmm.
Is Maddie back?
Yeah, but he found her last night.
Oh, I have not caught up, so, but she is back because I know she took off for her baby. Okay.
Yeah, he found her last night.
Found her where? What happened? Was there a disaster?
Found her in Boston.
Oh, why'd she leave?
She tried to kill herself.
Oh, Lord. Okay, Jennifer Love Hewitt. Okay, I gotta go watch this. So now is she in a rehab or something?
That's where she's been the last 6 months.
Oh, okay. Who's had the baby?
Jim.
Oh, okay. Okay, y'all, I put those berry sprays in there. Now, I'm going to take just mixtures of greenery. This is a new bush. It's freaking fabulous. It's got so much in here. And you can get lots of thickness and fullness throughout your wreath just by using one bush of this, okay? Kay Prescott, well, I'm glad you are, honey. I hope you're having a fabulous Tuesday. Almost said Monday. Okay, we're going to start adding these in. Did you ever watch Bohemian Rhapsody?
No.
Did you watch Rocket Man?
Yes.
Did you like that?
I liked it.
Bohemian Rhapsody is better. You need to watch. But I'm fascinated with Elton John, so I'm reading his book right now about his autobiography and stuff, and it just made me think of that movie. I was going to see if you saw it.
I just can't get caught up on anything right now.
I know. Like Walmart. Y'all, what? You're still in clothes, apparel?
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. So is there some days, like during the week, it's not as bad as the weekends? Is weekends the worst as far as
No.
like, everything? Every night's a mess?
There are some nights during the week it's a mess.
Oh, gosh. Y'all, that's a fun thing. I did this in my group, Dylan's Divas. Y'all tell me if you know, some of you guys might be designers and wreath makers full-time, but if you have another job or another career that you do 9 to 5, leave a comment. Let us know what it is. I had people in my group, some of my divas, that did all kinds of stuff. A lot of nurses, a lot of healthcare workers, some oil field. I had some full-time florists. So y'all leave a comment. Let us know. I just think it's really interesting, and I love to hear about it. I was talking to my divas, and I said, you know, if there's one job that I think that would be fun that I could do and have fun at, would be being a waiter. But I'd probably get fired because I'd sit down and start talking to the people I don't even know, and all my other people will be sitting there not having a service. So that'd probably be, and I think bartending would be fun, but it looks like a lot of work. I mean, you're constantly running back and forth, but I just think that's something you can have fun at. So y'all leave a comment, let us know. Then y'all tell us if we have any good ones. You can be anything. What do you want to be? Veterinarian?
Teacher.
Dina, I know. No. What grade?
Kindergarten.
Oh, Lord. You like little kids?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Kelly, that's cool. I bet you love getting to visit with all the patients and stuff. Valerie, you better get that money, girl. Real estate. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to trim this down just a little bit. Okay, I'm just adding in my greenery, guys. And I'm just focusing on the bottom of this wreath, but you guys could do something different if you wanted, okay? Somebody said first time watching. Welcome.
From Kentucky. We're in Kentucky. I used to live in Bowling Green.
Okay, y'all. We're going to add in, this is a new stem too. Look how fabulous. It's got lots of yellow and color.
Lived in Bowling Green and worked in Glasgow.
How far are those apart?
They were about 30, 40 miles apart.
What brought you to Kentucky? Were you born here?
Yes.
And then what brought you there?
Well, I moved to Nashville for the main reason, obvious reason. And the restaurant I was working at, the manager left and moved up to Kentucky, and she took me with her.
Oh, cool. Did you like it there?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the weather like there? Kind of like here?
Mm,
And it's hot most of the time?
no, it's actually a little cooler.
Oh, wow.
The humidity's different.
In the winter, does it snow there?
Yes.
Y'all, look at that. I love the yellow that I'm adding in there. Josh's mom, she is a retired teacher, but she went back this year, just from January until May, because they had somebody that had a baby, and so she went back. And anyway, she teaches kindergarten, and she loves it. She said it's really fun. And she has a small private school, and there's only 80 kids in the whole school, and the whole school is kindergarten through 12.
Wow.
So it's like 20 kids in each grade, so she's got the same one. Wow, Barb, that's awesome.
45 minutes from Virginia. I have a friend who moved to Dixport.
Okay, I'm going to add one more of these stems, and then y'all, we're going to add our carrots. This one is a little thinner, and it's got lots of purple in there, which I really like, and I think it'll be pretty. Let me clean out some of my mess here. Okay, I'm going to add one of these in, kind of right here in the center. To give
Morgan says part-time manager for Dylan.
Morgan, get off here. Morgan, they just called me about my car. It's going to be almost $1,600. And guys, I've only had my car for 3 years. I bought it brand new. It's got 73,000 miles on it though, because I drive everywhere. But I got to get a new air, what they say, compressor for my air conditioning, and it's going to be like $1,550 or so. Just what I want to spend. But you know, got to have air, honey. I mean, I can do without a lot of things. I can sit in the floor, no seat, but I got to have air conditioning all the time. I'm just glad it happened now though, and not in August, because I think I would have died. So, okay, the wreath is pretty like it is. So we're going to add some fun accent pieces. So I've got these carrots. I know, Morgan, you want to pay for it? I've got these fun carrots, and we're going to put the wood sticks in the bottom of here, okay?
She can set up a GoFundMe for you.
Yeah, exactly. Now, this is why you save, everybody. This is what I tell everybody all the time. You got to save, because you never know what's going to happen. And I was telling Dina, I'm always just worried about something happening to my dogs. I know, isn't that crazy, y'all? 3 years, and it's already got something wrong with it. Okay. I put a stick in the bottom of each carrot. You see what Morgan said? I got to put a stick in each one of these. And now, you could use one, but I think these are fun in pairs, especially if you put them like this, where they're kind of off-centered. So I'm just going to stick my carrots. Look how cute those are in the wreath. Push that one in there further. Just like that, y'all. So you have a couple carrots in the middle of your design. I just think they're so fun, and I love the green moss base around all the fun florals that we added. Again, y'all, the Easter floral and ribbon is 40% off, and then all the Easter decor, which I think those carrots would classify under that, are 25% off. And all that stuff is at ellishomeandgarden.com. Exactly, Penny, because going to the vet, I think it would be cheaper if I had open heart surgery and paid out of pocket than it would to get my dog worked on. I mean, it's crazy, the prices that they charge. But, you know, we got to pay for them because you got to have our dogs okay. So, all right, y'all. Well, love you for watching. Hope y'all had fun today and enjoyed the wreath. I know I did. I love Easter stuff. It's just so fun. I finally got my house decorated inside. I put a pillow on the chair, and I put a bunny on the table, and we are done. But outside, I put up a couple bunnies. I made a pretty wreath for my door in the group last week, and I put some plants out. And they're not dying because of the freeze, but I mean, I'm sure they're going to die because we're having flash flood every week.
The wreath base is foam?
Hey, Kim Spur. The wreath base is... It's got grapevine mixed in it, but yeah, it's a very soft material. And if you just type in Moss Wreath on the Ellis website, there's lots of different ones. There's this one in 3 sizes, and there's another one that's more expensive. That's really nice too. We've used in the past, and I love both of them. I was trying to look and see if it's down on the floor. All right, y'all. Love you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there, and we will see y'all next week here at Ellis Home and Garden. Bye, y'all.
Bye.